Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to explore new destinations on the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Scroll down and here you can find featured guides and vacant trips near you or popular destinations. So click on the relevant option that you would like to check out and discover in more details. Here you can select from categories. So if you are interested in eating out, you can check out the restaurants or attractions, cafes, photo spots, and so on. Click on the relevant one. And for example, in this case, you can check out the 50 best photo spots in London. Here you can see them ordered or sorted from 1 to 50. If you want to, you can save these options by tapping on the save button and add it to your trip plan. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.